Have you ever felt like the stock market is a puzzle you just can't solve? Well, what if I told you there's a secret weapon that could change the game for you? It's called the Ichimoku Cloud, and trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Today, we're diving deep into the Ichimoku Clouds. A tool that might just be your ticket to understanding and succeeding in the stock market. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been trading for a while but haven't quite cracked the code, this video is crafted just for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an Ichimoku Cloud? Think of it as a comprehensive indicator that helps traders visualize specific price movements at a glance. But why should you care? Because it can provide valuable insights into market trends, potential reversals, and support and resistance levels. Now, let's break down the key components of the Ichimoku Cloud. First up, we have the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B together. They form what we call the cloud. These lines are projected 26 periods into the future and help you anticipate future resistance or support areas. Next, we have the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines. They signal potential price movements, and their crossover is often seen as a trading signal. Lastly, there's the Chikou Span. It looks backward, giving you insight into past price movements. But how do you actually use this information? Let's go through it step by step. Imagine you're looking at a stock chart with the Ichimoku Cloud plotted. First, observe the position of the price in relation to the cloud. Is it above, below, or within the cloud? A price above the cloud signals a potential uptrend, while a price below indicates a downtrend. Now, look at the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen lines. A crossover of these lines can signify a change in trend. But remember, no indicator is foolproof. Always look for confirmation from other sources before making a trade. Let's walk through a real-life example to illustrate how you might use the Ichimoku Cloud in your trading strategy. Imagine you're interested in a particular stock. First, you check its position relative to the cloud. Seeing it above the cloud might pique your interest as a bullish sign. Next, you notice the Tenkan-sen line crossing above the Kijun-sen, further indicating a potential buy signal. However, you also notice the Chikou Span is lagging behind past prices, suggesting some caution is warranted. So, you decide to wait for additional confirming signals, such as an increase in trading volume or other technical indicators aligning. This approach highlights the importance of patience and confirmation in trading. Remember, the Ichimoku Cloud is not a magic solution. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. Always continue learning and testing your strategies in different market conditions. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, or leave a comment below with your thoughts. Have you used the Ichimoku Cloud before? What was your experience? Let's demystify the stock market together, one indicator